Welcome to Best Digital Marketing. Today we will showcase multiple search engine alternatives to Google. We'll be focusing on their general features as well as privacy and censorship. They may be a good option for you in presenting more diverse search results than Google offers with none of the spying. You won't see these search engines on this image from the Visual Capitalist showing the top 50 websites of 2022. Google sits at over 85 billion visits per month. YouTube, owned by Google, sees 33 billion visits per month. These two represent more monthly views than the other 48 websites combined, and that includes Amazon, Facebook, and X, formerly Twitter. Alternative search engines can offer a wide range of benefits, including a better search experience, higher levels of privacy, and less censorship. Let's start with DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo began as an idea for a better search engine experience in 2008 and grew slowly until 2018, when it quickly gained popularity. DuckDuckGo map and local searches are now anonymously enhanced by Apple Maps, providing a valuable combination of mapping and privacy. Currently, SimilarWeb tracking shows that DuckDuckGo receives over 838 million monthly visits, which likely places it at the top of alternative search engines. DuckDuckGo boldly states that, quote, "Your personal data is nobody's business." With the growing concern of user privacy, that's pretty strong. According to the company, it doesn't follow its users around with personalized ads and it doesn't store their search history, won't track their IP address, and has no personal data to sell. It's an all-in-one privacy solution that includes private searching, web tracking protection, smarter encryption, and more. DuckDuckGo further points out, quote, "Google wants you to think incognito mode is private. It's not. Google still tracks every search you make and most websites you visit in incognito mode. DuckDuckGo doesn't track you. Ever." DuckDuckGo has made many donations over the years to support privacy rights and personal digital security initiatives. For product and service searches, it is on par with Google. Normally, you'll receive much different search results compared to Google on general information searches, which can provide for better insights on a host of topics. Just like Google, there are search vertical options, including general web results, images, videos, news, maps, and shopping. Additionally, regions of the world and safe search can be used as filters. Disadvantages? DuckDuckGo has a smaller index of websites than Google, making it more challenging to find some types of information. They also don't offer as many advanced features as Google. Privacy and censorship are to be viewed as two separate entities when evaluating search engines. For example, certain segments of society had always thought that in addition to maintaining user privacy, DuckDuckGo would not censor information like the big tech behemoths. In March of 2022, DuckDuckGo CEO Gabriel Weinberg announced that it was going to downrank sites that spread Russian disinformation. Some Twitter users responded negatively. Next is Swisscows. Since 2014, it has drawn good reviews as a privacy search engine and is currently testing their Teleguard app, a data-secure messenger for text and voice messages, voice calls, and video calls. This anonymous, donation-funded search engine does not store your data. Swisscows' excellent data privacy benefits from strong Swiss data laws, and they guarantee absolute anonymity to its users. According to the company, Swisscows is the European answer to Google & Company, with high-quality search results based on their own index and years of expertise. It is also family-friendly, since sexual content is not indexed or displayed by Swisscows. With Swisscows, you can surf anonymously via their proxy server. Swisscows.email is an alternative solution for private and business email traffic. Currently, SimilarWeb shows Swisscows receiving 2.6 million monthly visits. The search results are very robust and will be different compared to Google with vertical search capabilities for images, video, and music. A disadvantage compared to Google is that it lacks a mapping function for local-oriented searches like the one that you're viewing now. Next is Startpage. Startpage search engine pioneered the creation of the world's first private search engine. Since then, they've continued to build out their product offerings to make privacy accessible to everyone. By maintaining its headquarters in the Netherlands, Startpage continues to be protected by Dutch and European Union privacy laws. They also feature StartMail, a secure email system. Currently, SimilarWeb tracking shows that Startpage receives over 65 million monthly visits. With its clean and minimalist interface, Startpage is unique in that it actually displays search results from Google itself. Essentially, you're using Google with privacy engineered into the system. Even the Google ads are shown. Their personal data protection technology offers users these 6 features in the area of privacy: an encrypted connection, price tracker blocking, no retargeting ads, anonymous browsing, unprofiled news, and no online profiling. Lastly, we have FreeSpoke. The idea behind FreeSpoke was to end big tech's stronghold on access to information, a search engine delivering users unbiased, uncensored media while ensuring they are not tracked and their information is not sold. FreeSpoke claims to provide users with a, quote, 360-degree view of the news, right, middle, left, and more. It is gaining popularity with 1.8 million monthly visits according to SimilarWeb. The FreeSpoke homepage is more Yahoo-esque in appearance, with several sections such as What's Hot, Trending Story, a Twitter feed of breaking news, and more. There is also an opinion area called The Spangled Take. When searches with the same phrases are conducted on FreeSpoke and Google, you will see wildly different search results. This is true for product and services searches, like the one that you see here for video equipment. Many searchers tend not to go past the first page of results, so what appears is highly influential to the viewers of this information. In general, only you can decide whether FreeSpoke's search results meet your needs for quality, truth-seeking information. As for privacy and data tracking, on the Notice of Collection page, FreeSpoke clearly states that data is collected, but that they do not sell or lease your personal information. Regarding its privacy policy, it bears reading to know exactly what FreeSpoke does with the information it collects. There seems to be much outsourcing of the search engine's mechanics. FreeSpoke mentions that they must participate in the very system that they're trying to overthrow. Quote, Facebook Pixel tracks personal information, but personally identifiable information and information that could be used to identify a specific person is not available to us. What? FreeSpoke glosses over this and explains that the policy complies with vague frameworks and laws. FreeSpoke's website is hosted on Netlify, which is Silicon Valley venture capital funded. Matomo collects and stores usability data for FreeSpoke. Microsoft Azure stores user preferences such as likes. The website does not use cookies of log files to personally track you, it says. Of course, you can supposedly opt out of much of these operations. Ideally, for a search engine to be truly in control of its destiny, the model would be to not be under the thumb of any outside entities that could sabotage the goal of ultimate privacy, no tracking, and unfiltered information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please support the channel by patronizing our sponsors found at the links in the video description. There are many evolving technologies spawning new opportunities for the informed. We have videos covering many of them at our platform links below. We can also help your business, if you have one, to appear highly on any of these search engines or Google. May good luck be with you. Since 1995, Target Marketing Solutions has been providing continual sales through continual prospect sales leads, phone calls, requests for quotes, and e-commerce sales for many companies across North America. Your sales growth is always the end goal for the websites, paid search or pay-per-click campaigns, videos, social media, and e-commerce projects that we create for our clients. All sales goals are tracked and reported onto our clients through data tracking tools. How do we create continual sales growth for our clients? By substantially increasing their website search traffic from Google, which massively dominates North American direct search traffic. Nothing else is remotely close to Google with a near 90% market share, especially in direct business-to-business traffic. We target the right new prospects through researching potential prospect search patterns and then implementing these findings on all aspects of our client websites and internet marketing campaigns. This is all done according to the SEO principles developed by Google itself for high page 1 rankings in Google's natural search results pages. For ultimate sales success, website structure, website content, pay-per-click, social media, and videos all must adhere to these very important principles. We are more than just website designers because it's more competitive than ever to get coveted Google high rankings that drive new prospects to your site. Our company has developed hundreds of sales-focused, custom, state-of-the-art websites and internet marketing programs for specialized industries in many professions such as industrial and manufacturing, medical, pharmaceutical and healthcare, law firms, science and technology, food services, e-commerce, B2B, and B2C companies. Our aim with all of our clients' services is to be highly effective, highly targeted, and for you to be highly profitable. You will receive attentive, personalized customer service 24/7. Call 1-888-239-0332, visit targetmarketingsolutions.us, or email us at info@targetmarketingsol for a no-obligation analysis of your marketing from our talented team.